Good evening, everyone. It's Wynn Brown here with Haywood Healthcare's COVID-19 update for Tuesday, May 12th. I hope you had a great day out there. Let's just go right to our testing where we usually start. We have tested 3,449 specimens and received 2,745 negative results, 406 positive, 34 indeterminate, putting our rate down now at 12.7% cumulatively, and the state is at 19.9%. In Worcester County, there are 7,818 total cases to date, and Franklin County is inching toward the 300 mark at 296. So again, positive test results back every day, and so the virus is here, it is present in our community, and it's important that we continue to practice our social distancing, hand hygiene, just being smart out there to keep our numbers continuing to go down and make it manageable for our healthcare system and for us to adjust to a new normal as we wait to hear the governor's greater details of his four-part plan. At Haywood Hospital, we have two positive patients on Watkins 1 with COVID-19 and 5 patients that were waiting for their test results. Embedded with this is also a video that I shot today with Ann Nolan and Jeannie Sanborn about infection prevention and the importance of that and the ongoing participation in that, but also just a call to action for all our staff who enter our facilities every day and are questioned as to their health status, given a mask if they need one, encouraged to gel in and gel out. Really, I mean, people are getting, I think, overly used to the process and thinking that they don't need to stop and pause and speak with the entrance screeners, and that needs to be done by everyone every day, no exceptions. And unfortunately, we've seen a little bit of attitude from some of our staff, which is really not part of our Haywood culture, and so we need to make sure that we are treating our door screeners who are volunteering to be there respectfully. So there's more than that in the video, but I'm just doing the presidential shout out that we need to make sure that we behave culturally appropriate when we come to the entrance, even if we're in a rush and we think we know what we're doing. You need to stop and pause. All right, so thank you, everybody. Enough of the fatherly lecture tonight. I think you all know what needs to be done. Looking at hospital week, we have had a couple, we have another winner. We have a $50 Amex gift card going to Bob Drapo in EVS. And in follow-up to last night's video where we read some thoughts from one of our nurses, some other nurses have shared some thoughts, so I thought I'd share them with you now. From Nancy Higgins: I work with a great group of nurses and aides. They are there for you whenever you need them. We are Haywood Strong. From Sue Hermanson, who also was a raffle winner and one of our longest tenured nurses. We honored her recently at one of our annual Recognition of Service Award. Sue says, through my nursing career, I've been able to remember some people and their stories from 45 years ago like it was yesterday. The good, the bad, and the sad. So often in public, people stop me and thank me for being a nurse, often showing me pictures. But last summer was the best. A woman at a local restaurant came up to me and said I was her nurse when she delivered her son 35 years ago. We, as nurses, truly touch our patients' lives and make an impact. So powerful. From Kim Morris: I will always remember these times. The teamwork, love, and drive our team has is something that I will cherish forever. So thank you for those nice comments. Some thank yous today as well. Molly Coyne for donating 100 isolation gowns to the Haywood ER. Lyman Signs for their donation of window decals at Athol Hospital. And the Packard Pond Polar Plunge from the Packard Pond Community Challenge was challenged by the White Pond Association, who took their polar plunge for the benefit of the Athol Emergency Department. It's noted here by Don Cassavan, who helps me put these together, that I haven't taken my plunge yet. It's coming to take the polar plunge to benefit Haywood Healthcare. Family and friends took the challenge and raised $4,000 to benefit Haywood healthcare workers. So thank you very much for all who took the Packard Pond Polar Plunge. That's a mouthful. And there is a video here for you to watch as well that's fun of the plungers. And also thank you to Donna Carey for crocheting Afghans for the second floor patients of Athol Hospital. That's very sweet. Also, Haywood Strong sales, just in closing, we have got most everything out there delivered now. And if you haven't got your delivery yet and you're concerned about that, please email communityrelations@haywood.org and we'll check into your order and work to get your delivery to you. This has turned out to be incredibly popular and really built the morale of staff. And I wore mine to work today, as you'll see in the other video that I have posted with Jeannie and Ann. Have a great evening. Thank you for everything you're doing as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. Have a good evening.